Attempt to show you how to load your CANABOXX vending machine. There are several steps. You want to make sure, first of all, make sure the power is plugged in. First step. Once it's plugged in, matter of fact, let's go over that real quick. It should take a few seconds to power up. All right, here it is. Takes approximately 5 to 8 seconds, give or take, maybe 10 seconds. So once it cycles, it does a power cycle, it automatically boots up once it's connected to the internet. And in the previous video, we've seen how to connect it to the internet. Right now, you'll see your name here, which is CANABOXX, the vending machine name. You have a vending machine number and a service contact, which is our number on the top. We have the screen display different ads on it where we can customize. So if you have a particular ad, if you have a vending machine in a mall or a particular location, we can customize that ad for you. We'll attempt to show you how to load your machine. First of all, when you receive your machine, this antenna would have been taken off. Would have been taken off to prevent breaking the top. So you'd have seen the antenna somewhere down here. You would just need to go here on the top, screw it in. This is for the wireless connection to connect your device to the internet. Oh. It's a little rough over here on that. But you want to make sure you screw the pole and your antenna on. That way you get the best reception, the best signal. So once that's on, your machine should be up and running and functional and connected to the internet. This key, you have two different keys, two sets of keys. You have the black key and you have the blue key. The black keys, you may have two keys. It's just one for an extra key. You use it to open the top compartment. The black key. There are two locks on the top of the CANABOXX. You open both of them, swing the door open like this, right? To open the bottom, of course, the machine would have been drilled, or if it's not drilled, it would have sandbag in there. The blue keys are used to open the bottom of the machine. Funny thing about it, one key opens both, but you have to open one at a time. After the top one is open, you open the bottom one. And here could be used for a storage compartment, or you can put a sandbag in there if the mall or the location doesn't allow you to drill. Close it back. You need to lock it one at a time. Those are as their individual locks. Once it's locked, over here you have the bill acceptor where you of course insert your bill. This particular area right here, where you would have a card acceptor. For some machines that ordered with a card acceptor, you will see the credit card reader here, where of course the customer used to purchase, and that would have been configured and set up with your account. Of course, here is the bin the bin dispenser, where you'll pick your product, you get your products from there. All right. So to come here, I'll show you how to load your machine. All right. You'll have different size spirals. You try on the top. You try to have the bigger spirals on the top and the taller items on the top because you have more space to maneuver. So we recommend placing the larger items on the top. So for this particular CANABOXX, I believe it's a dummy, you would insert it here and place it here. You may want to do a few tests to make sure it dispenses first before you leave the machine. So you may want to do a few test transactions to make sure the spiral spins and dispense the machine. So you can put different sizes. This is a doobie, it's a pre-roll doobie. You can place it there. You have a protein bar, which is a little bigger. So you may need to have place these bigger items in the bigger spiral. And some of the machines, the bigger spirals are in the back. This is the test machine. But if there's a bigger spiral, we'll place it here. I say if you attempt to put a longer item in the lower spirals, you'll see what happens. If you put it here, you notice it won't clear. So you may want to just look at the size of your items and the height. So if you put this particular item there, you want to check it cleared it, right? It's really simple. Just stock all your items in the spiral. And then online, on your tracking, on your portal, you'll see the option to add each row. You have the different row. The rows are numbered. You will go ahead and update the numbers of items you put in the row. And that keeps the tracking of inventory. Okay? So it's really simple. Place all your items in there as long as it clears. Put the bigger items on the top. Very simple. Put the small items on the bottom. And wherever you place your items, make sure you match it up online in your portal with the number of the rows. Close the machine. Lock the top. Lock the top. Top, bottom. Voila. It's ready. So to purchase, of course, you'll have the advertisement here. To purchase, you'll tap purchase. Of course, you tap to purchase. It's a little sensitive, so you want to make sure you press it properly. This is not configured yet, but say you want to purchase the charger, you'll tap on the charger. Select your option, and then you will click the pay. Once you click the pay, you insert or you swipe. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, you can call the service contact here. We'll help you with that.